Okay, good morning. Gab Peras, Sports Corner PH. Ang focus ng question ko sa National Open, of course, ang pinaka-priority natin is of course yung grassroots natin, yung at saka yung ating elite like sina Ando, si Agad, si Crystal Macron, si Ross G. Would you consider in the future editions nito National Open yung magkakaroon ng Masters weightlifting? Kasi I just learned na meron tayong mga pinadala nating weightlifters dun sa World Masters Weightlifting Championship, and in the future editions na pala, sasama pa ba yung Masters with regards to that? Thank you.
Very good question. Actually, may Masters kami noon pa. Pero hindi ako masyadong nako-concentrate sa Masters kasi malalaki ng tiyan ng lahat na yan eh. Oo, dito na lang ang malakas ang braso. Dito na lang ako sa Olympics. Kaya, pero may Masters kami na sa Dumaguete wala eh. Wala. Well, gaya ng other sports, mas concentrated ako sa mga bata. Oo. Pero you are right. Mayroon din kaming Masters. Si Heidi, maybe, pag hindi pa siya nanganak, qualified siya. Pero in the international arena, Masters category is not too popular. Parang everybody wants to see the real McCoy. Labanan ang gusto. Yun ang gusto nila eh. But, good question. We also have our Masters.
Okay.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Ivan Singh po ng Daily TV. Sir Monico, ang dami po naging magandang, last na performers po nung palaro last week. Tanong ko lang po, may mga pinagit po bang pangalan si Ma'am Heidi ng mga potential for national team or national league po?
Nephew niya.
Kami personally may nakita kami, pero ang recording kasi namin yung National Open. Kasi nandun lahat ng kalaban nila. So meron kasing mga youth doon, tsaka junior, na hindi nakapaglaro.
Anong age group sa National Open, Coach?
Ang youth namin is 13 to 17, then yung junior is 18 to 20. Pero pwede rin sila mag-entry ng junior yung youth, or nag-age na sila ng 15. So 15 to 20 yung junior.
Even today, ang opening namin Friday, Saturday, nandun ang Igorot. Mga hinters ng Igorot, nandun na ngayon. Kasi from Palaro, they went straight to Dumaguete. Marami na ngayong weightlifters, kaya more chances for us to enter the Olympics. Wala na, I've done my part. Tapos na ako, I've already done my part with my dues, so ano na yan. I think the future is bright, very bright for Philippine weightlifting. Nandiyan naman sila Heidi, sila ditong mga bata kung noon, they will follow our line and our plan. Sila na. Ako, maybe Los Angeles na ako because I want to see another medal. After that, sulat-sulat na lang ako gaya nyo. Apa sa inyo. Kanila times. Pero I'm thankful. Hindi na ako masyado magsasalita. Live pala.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So thank you so much, Sir Monico Puentevelle and Coach Pat Lee. Yes, and we'll see you again in the next editions of our Philippine Sports Writers Association.
Maraming
po.
salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you for all the years you have been with us up to now. And I wish good luck to my friend Ricky Palou. He is the one who has really boosted Philippine volleyball. I said that in Congress, in the Senate. Volleyball is now volleyball because of Ricky Palou, not because of any other people. Oh, live na naman yan. Ayoko na.
Okay, partner
Maraming salamat po. This has been your PSA Sports Forum for our first session. Maraming salamat po, Coach, sa inyong oras. Thank you for your collective efforts for bringing Philippine weightlifting to great heights. Maraming salamat po. Babalik po ang PSA Forum for volleyball.
May iiwan lang ako sa inyo. Maybe you can print, maybe you don't have to print. I hope nobody in the POC or NSA interferes in the running of weightlifting. Something happened in Paris. I don't want that to happen again. No NSA or POC should interfere in the running of our weightlifting, and we will win medal. Okay? That is controversial, but bahala ng Diyos sa akin.
Thank you very much.
Salamat.
Salamat po.